Hello there, this is Mr. Dunaway, and this is just going to be a real quick short video to help you get started on your next assignment. There's some information in here that if you've not been in my computer class, I just need to pass along to you. So if you have been, you probably already should know how to do this, but you're going to need to access a document that I have placed on a shared drive called the O drive, and I want to show you how to do that. So as this video plays, you just go ahead and do this on your computer with me, and then you'll be all ready to go. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the bottom of your screen where my mouse is right there, and you're looking for this folder right here. It looks like a folder, and you're going to click on that, and when you do that, you're going to get a screen that looks something like this. It might be a little bit different, but whatever it is, it doesn't matter because I want to show you how to get around on this. This is the main thing right here where my mouse is pointing, where it says this PC on the left hand side of my screen, and you click onto that and you're going to get something that looks like that. Now I am guessing that your screen probably looks like that, and if you just see that, all you have to do is scroll down and you're looking for probably says network locations. Now I will click and drag mine a little bit so it's wider and you can see what we're doing, but you have some things that should look kind of like this. You probably just have an H drive, maybe an M drive depending on your grade, and then you're looking for DocShare O. This is the O drive, and what I can do is I can place items here for you to go get, but there's one little tricky piece to it. So if you would go to your O drive and double click, go to the CST file, and then there should be a folder that says Dunaway, and you just double click on that, and you want to go into leadership, double click on that, and go into Facebook, double click on that. And what we have here is this document. It says Facebook sample page JFK, so I'd like you to double click on that, and it's going to take just a second, so double click on that, and it's probably going to take maybe 15 to 30 seconds to open up. It's opening up PowerPoint right now, and when it is up and running, you should have a document that comes up that looks something like this. So once that is up and running, this yellow bar here, we need to actually make that go away, and all you need to do is click on Enable Editing, and it should go away, and now it's going to look like a regular PowerPoint for you. Now there's one really important thing to do right now, or you're going to have problems saving it. And I want you to save your own copy, and you're going to save this on your H drive. So what you'll need to do is take your mouse to the upper left hand corner, click on File, and do a Save As. It's important that you hit Save As. Go down here to Browse, and you need to go down here. We're going to click again on this PC here, and you're going to go down to your H drive. Now the icons might be a different size, but you're looking for, it should have your user ID, and then at the end it says H with a colon after it in parentheses. So double click on that, and then in here you want to find a place to save this. So if you've created a folder for leadership, you can place it in there. If you haven't, just place it somewhere. So I will go, I'll just save it on here. But what you want to do is you want to rename this, maybe your name. So I would say like Dunaway Facebook project. And again, what you're doing is if you see at the top, it should say H right there at the end. That's where you're going to save it. And you want to click Save. Now when you click Save, at the top it should come back here, and at the top it'll say whatever you just called it. If you've done that, you've got the document saved correctly, and you'll be able to access it tomorrow after you do some edits on it. If you don't do this, it likely will not save your document because you're not allowed to save to that O drive where we grabbed it. Now this is just a quick rundown of this assignment. You'll read the document that's attached in Google Classroom for the description of the assignment, but this is a PowerPoint slide that's been made to look like a Facebook page, and your assignment is to change this according to the details of the leaders that we have been studying recently, and that should be shown to you in class and with some more information. But you'll need to change everything on here is like a text box, and you can get in here and you can edit everything. So You're going to change all of these from John F. Kennedy to the person that you choose to do. You're going to find friends of that person and try to make the pictures look like that. You can grab and move things. You can change, you can edit the names up here. You can edit their text and the posts right there. You can edit everything in here is editable, and it's really cool. So you've got 3 pages. The last page, this isn't supposed to be there, so I'm going to plan to delete that before you actually open this document here. So it's 3 slides, and you're trying to make this exactly looking like a Facebook page using the information that you've learned and the events that you've learned about this particular person that you're choosing to study. So open that up, save it, and you can get to work on that. And hopefully, if you save it correctly, you'll be able to edit it over the next couple of days, and keeping things simple for you there. So have a nice day. The end.